Here's who I am and what I do. Hi, we are Indian Design League, and along with Amit, what you are about to learn will change the way you think about your career, business, and brand. It will transform your life and it will give you everything you could possibly want faster. And we mean years, possible even decades faster than you could ever possibly imagine. So, if you are ready, let's go after it. क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप बिजनेस के लिए बने हैं और आप अपने नए बिजनेस की शुरुआत करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप वो लाइफस्टाइल, खुशी और पैशन की उम्मीद रखते हैं जिससे आप फ्रीडम को एक्सपीरियंस कर सके? क्या आप कभी कोई ऑनलाइन बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं जिससे आप अपना प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस कस्टमर तक पहुंचा सके? Something that gives you abundance that you and your family deserve, and that really makes you proud that you have mastered and achieved what matters to you. आप इस सोच में जरूर होंगे कि इस कोविड और पोस्ट कोविड एरा में कौन से बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजीज काम आएंगे. How do you take your ideas and passions and create great products and services that people will buy over and over and over again? ऐसा क्या करना होगा जिससे आपकी अर्निंग हो सके? What are the revenue drivers that you can push and pull to grow your business online? टीम के मामले में क्या करना सही रहेगा? किसे कैसे और कब हायर करना सही रहेगा? कौन से सिस्टम्स और टूल्स इस्तेमाल करना सही रहेगा? What do you need to use or purchase or leverage to go faster? What about protecting yourself? How do you protect yourself and your personal life from your business liabilities? आप ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे कोई आपकी आइडिया ना चुरा सके? How do you start, run and grow your business effectively, efficiently and faster in today's post-COVID-19 world? Have you ever wondered why you are struggling to achieve your goals and live the life of your dreams while some people and companies are experiencing more growth, making more money and enjoying a greater quality of life and doing it with far less effort? हो सकता है कि आप इस सोच में होंगे कि ऐसा क्या हो सकता है कि बाकी लोग इतने सक्सेसफुल होते ही जा रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ मेरा स्ट्रगल खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. What are they doing that I am not? आपके पास भी बड़े गोल्स होंगे, ऐसे सपने होंगे जो आपको इंस्पायर करते होंगे और एम्बिशन जिससे कि आप फुलफिलमेंट की तरफ बढ़ते होंगे. और इन सभी ड्रीम्स और गोल्स को पूरा करना इतना आसान नहीं होता है. जल्दबाजी भी नहीं की जा सकती. We have been there. We understand your frustration. We know you are stuck. And we know exactly how to help you move forward. We have been there. आपकी frustration हम समझ सकते हैं. We know exactly how to help you move forward with the certainty of a man holding 4 aces. We can tell you this. Until you learn how to predictably and consistently move your career, business and brand online and do it quickly, you are going to struggle all of your life. इस बात को बिल्कुल ना भूले. चलिए एक बार रिपीट करते हैं. Until you learn how to predictably and consistently take your career, business and brand online and do it quickly, you are going to struggle all of your life. Here's who I am and what I do. That is why we at Indian Design League have created the comprehensive 7-module online course, High Performance Influencer, to help aspiring entrepreneurs and experts to build the business and future that they always dreamed of, so that they can live a lifestyle that they want and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. अगर आप बिजनेस का हिस्सा रह चुके हैं तो इससे ज्यादा अच्छा कोई समय नहीं होगा जब आप बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजीज को और गौर से समझ पाएंगे. अभी ही आप वो इनसाइट्स देख सकते हैं जहां आपको कोई ऑनलाइन बिजनेस शुरू करके आगे बढ़ाना है। Now, if you are a business owner like I am, or you are aspiring to start your own business, how to know where to grow your business revenue? What models work in today's changing marketplace? ये एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग टाइम है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ मुश्किलों से भी भरा हुआ है। We have got this big boom and we have got this bust. And we got this middle in between where people are just kind of restless and frustrated or scared or they don't know what to do. लेकिन बिजनेस अभी आपके पर्सनल ग्रोथ और लेगेसी दोनों के लिए बहुत ही बढ़िया है। We'd like to say that business is to be an avenue of passion, creative expression, lifestyle design and legacy building. और अगर आपको भी ऐसा ही लगता है तो आप यकीनन अपने बिजनेस को लेकर बहुत ही पैशनेट है। आपको बस जरूरत है अपने बिजनेस में नई सोच लाने की, इवन इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश्ड और इवन इफ यू आर जस्ट बिगनिंग। इस पोस्ट कोविड एरा में अब हमारी वो सारी आदतें बरकरार रहेंगी जो घर बैठे लग चुकी है। अब टेक्नोलॉजी का सहारा लेकर बड़े बुजुर्ग तक अपनी दवाइयां घर तक मंगवा लेते हैं। ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग ऑनलाइन हो चुकी है। मूवीज अब थिएटर की जगह ऑनलाइन स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर रिलीज हो रही है। टेक्नीशियंस अब हार्डवेयर स्टोर से नहीं बुलाए जा रहे, बल्कि ऑनलाइन उनके सर्विस चुनकर घर बुलाए जा रहे हैं। हॉबी क्लासेस, डांस क्लासेस और जिम ट्रेनिंग अब अपने ट्रेनर को लैपटॉप पर देखकर किया जा रहा है। यहाँ तक कि शादियों में गेस्ट अब वीडियो कॉल्स की मदद से ही शरीक हो रहे हैं। और इसका सबसे बड़ा असर दिखा है एजुकेशन पर, जहां नर्सरी से लेकर फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज के मास्टर स्टूडेंट्स तक हर कोई ऑनलाइन क्लासेस पर ही भरोसा जता रहा है। पहले जहां सबको आदत नहीं थी इतने सारे ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज को इस्तेमाल करने की, अब ऐसा लगता है कि इनके बिना तो एक दिन भी नहीं कट सकता। सो द कीवर्ड हियर इज ऑनलाइन। यस, you heard it right. Every business setup which is online is going to work now because of safety and convenience. And in post-COVID era because of habitual necessity and adaptability. तो बस अब आप बहुत सारे नोट्स लिखने के लिए नोटपैड और पेन लेकर तैयार हो जाइए। अमित, founder and chairman Indian Design League, has shared some of these strategies that we will be sharing with you here with. Literally, business owners, CEOs, HR managers, Bollywood designers, experts, architects and interior designers with people who paid him in 7-figure and above just to get his advice in groups to people who literally are just starting a business and are just saying, Amit, how do I need to think about this? It's one of our favorite programs that we ever have offered क्योंकि बिजनेस ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटीज लाता है जो आपकी दुनिया बदल सकता है। और अगर आप बिजनेस नहीं भी कर रहे हैं तो भी इस कोर्स को जरूर करें, क्योंकि इससे पता चलेगा कि बिजनेस ओनर्स किस तरीके की सोच रखते हैं और अगर आप उसका हिस्सा एक एम्प्लॉय की तरह हैं तो भी ये आपकी जिंदगी में कैसे वैल्यू ला सकता है। If you thought like this at your workplace, trust us, you would dwarf everybody else because most people don't even know how to think about business, let alone run one, grow one, and build something that's meaningful. Each year, our company grows by 50% in revenue while we get to positively influence and impact thousands of our students having varied backgrounds. सभी के पास वो लाइफस्टाइल होती है जिसकी उन्हें चाह है। सारे बैचेस महीनों पहले ही फुल हो जाते हैं और टीम में भी ऐसे कुछ लोगों से काम करने का मौका मिलता है who are most conscious, heartfelt people around. Life is wonderful and so is business and we feel very fortunate. इसीलिए साथ मिलकर बिजनेस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन को लेकर हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। We are blessed to run a 9-figure business and we are blessed to be able to reach hundreds and thousands of people with our videos, our messages, our programs and our ideas. Amit, founder and chairman ITL has been blessed to advise some of the smartest businessmen और suggestions होते हैं जैसे कि business कैसे चलाएं, मार्केटिंग कैसे करें, टीम्स को कैसे संभालें और हर प्रोजेक्ट कैसे पूरा करें। ITL के पास इसी वजह से बहुत सारा पर्सपेक्टिव है and we hope you will find that as we go through here and then introduce you to join the course। इस इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा एक डेकेड से भी ज्यादा रहने की वजह से हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है जिसे आप अपने बिजनेस में अपना सकते हैं और कुछ चीजों को अवॉइड भी कर सकते हैं। आप किस तरह से जल्द आगे बढ़ सकते हैं ये भी यहाँ जान सकते हैं। You deserve to have a business that you really care about. So, let's get you started into the entrepreneur's mindset right now and help you to build the business and the lifestyle and the future you have always dreamt of. You see, accelerating your win rate, even growing 10 times larger and faster isn't about magic. It's not about lucky breaks. It's not working harder, nor is it about getting special privileges. यहाँ एक सिस्टम है, कुछ फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर स्ट्रैटेजी है और बिलीफ है जिसे एक्सपर्ट्स और हाई परफॉर्मेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर अपनाते हैं in order to fulfill their dreams and achieve their big audacious goals in the same number of hours a day that you and I get. आज ये सिस्टम हम आपसे शेयर करने वाले हैं and we will show you how you can immediately start using it to turbocharge your results and live the life of your dreams. If you are serious about explosive growth, about accelerating your win rate and learning exactly what it takes to achieve more in 7 months than most people do over the course of 7 years, then be sure to watch this entire video. Now, we have all heard the saying that time is money. अब आप देखने वाले हैं टाइम को लेकर कुछ सच, the truth of the time. ये आपकी सबसे बड़ी एसेट है. Time does not discriminate. Time is the world's only evenly distributed resource that exists. हर के पास एक ही तरह का टाइम होता है. 24 घंटे ही होते हैं. 1440 minutes. No matter whether you are rich or poor, enterprising or idle, bright or ignorant, ना 1 मिनट ज्यादा ना कि 1 मिनट कम, बस 24 घंटे. Amit, founder and chairman IDL, keeps saying that we all have 24 boxcars that we are given each day. Do you fill them with the dirt or with diamonds? बिल गेट्स के पास हर दिन के 24 घंटे होते हैं. So does our friend Sunil, the window washer. बस फर्क यही है कि समय का इस्तेमाल कैसे करते हैं. Sunil is a man who washes people's car windows at local fuel station in exchange of their spare change. He is very articulate and very personable, but he has resigned himself to being a window washer. क्योंकि उसे नहीं लगता कि वो कुछ बेहतर कर सकता है. Every time we talk, he always says, I am gonna do it. I am gonna do it. I am gonna do more with my life. But he never does. The next day he is back there washing windows for coins when he has the potential to make lakhs. He fills his minutes with dirt when he could fill them with diamonds. वही बात करें बिल गेट्स की तो वहां उनके हाथों में भी 24 घंटे ही हैं, लेकिन उन 24 घंटों का इस्तेमाल बहुत ही अलग होता है. He fills his minutes with dollars rather than pennies. हर एक की जिंदगी अलग होती है, हर एक के पास अलग अलग चैलेंजेस होते हैं. कुछ लोग बहुत देर और बहुत पीछे रहकर शुरुआत करते हैं लेकिन उतनी ही जल्दी आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. वहीं कुछ जिनके पास बहुत से प्रिविलेजेस तो होते हैं बट वो पीछे रह जाते हैं. इसका कारण बस ये है कि लोग अपने समय का इस्तेमाल कैसे करते हैं. Do we fill our hours with dirt or with diamonds? Do we fill our minutes with coins or with lakhs? चाहे हम जिंदगी के किसी भी मोड़ पर रहें, हमारे पास चॉइस होती है. Use your time wisely. Fill your time with diamonds and not dirt. Second point is, time is scarce. Time waits for no one. समय का पहिया चलता ही रहता है. इससे इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपके पास कितने पैसे हैं, कितना पावर है और कितनी प्रेस्टीज है. Time keeps moving on. You have got to respect time and use it wisely. क्योंकि टाइम को इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप हैं कौन. Time is the great equalizer. From its standpoint, हर कोई एक ही स्टेज पर है, हर कोई इक्वल है. It gives the same dividend to the rich as to the poor, to the powerful as to the weak, to the big as to the small. जैसा कि हमने अभी देखा, हर एक के पास 24 घंटे होते हैं, ना कि 1 मिनट ज्यादा, ना 1 मिनट कम. The key to success is not the time you have, because you have only got 24 hours, 1440 minutes to each day. The key is what you do with the time you have. आप अपना टाइम कैसे यूज करते हैं? Do you use it wisely or do you squander your precious minutes? Do you fill your dreams with time a wasting or do you fill your time with life a making? आपकी सक्सेस इसी बात पर डिपेंड करती है कि आप टाइम का यूज कैसे करते हैं. Time is moving on. Are you? स्टैटिस्टिक्स की माने तो इंडिया की एवरेज लाइफ स्पैन है 69.5 इयर्स. अगर आप 20 साल के हैं तो स्टैटिस्टिक्स के हिसाब से आपके पास अभी और 580 महीने बाकी हैं कुछ बड़ा कर दिखाने के लिए. If you are 30, then you have approximately 480 months to live. If you are 40, then you have approximately 360 months to live. If you are 50, then you have just over 200 months. If you are 60, then about 120 months. If you are 70 and above, then you are just blessed. ये भले ही बस कुछ नंबर्स होंगे, हमें इस बात को मानना ही होगा कि ये बहुत ही रेलेवेंट है. We should not take our lives for granted. Even though lifespans are increasing, we should realize that time is precious and we really have no time to lose. Live your life with gusto because there is no time to lose. You only get a limited amount of time in your life, and every single day the amount you have left shrinks just a little bit more. And whether you use it wisely or not, time nevertheless goes on with or without you. Point number 3. Time is running out for you to achieve your goals. Every day is a brand new day. A day unlike any other day. A brand new opportunity to make your dreams come true. लेकिन अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके सपने पूरे हों, तो सपने देखना कभी ना भूलें. आपको जरूरत है एक सपने की, एक गोल की, ना कि कोई रेजोल्यूशन जो आप 1 जनवरी को करते हैं और 10 तारीख तक भूल भी जाते हैं. You need a goal, a target, a destination that you have made a commitment to. It is critical that you have a dream. Dr. Benjamin Mays said it so well when he said, "It must be borne in mind that tragedy of life doesn't lie in not reaching your goals. The tragedy lies in not having a goal to reach for. It isn't a disaster to be unable to capture your idols, but it is a disaster to have no idol to capture. It is not a disgrace not to reach the stars, but it is a disgrace to have no stars to reach for. Not failure, but low aim is sin." सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत सभी के साथ यही है कि उनके पास कोई एम ही नहीं है, या उनका एम बहुत ही नीचे रह गया है, या वो छोटे छोटे रेजोल्यूशंस बनाकर उनको नहीं निभाते. If you aim at nothing, that is probably what you will hit. Aim high, dream big dreams, and set big goals. Have you ever wondered why some people can make $1 million or $1 billion and lose it? Make a second million and lose it, then make a third million, while others can hardly make ends meet? Why is it that some people, no matter what they touch, seems to turn to gold, while others can never quite hit the mark. इसका जवाब ये है कि उनके पास सक्सेस की रेसिपी है। जैसे कि केक और पाई बनाने की रेसिपी होती है, वैसे ही सक्सेस की रेसिपी भी होती है। आप सभी को ऐसे लोग पता होंगे जो बहुत ही बढ़िया केक और पाइज बनाते हैं। Like one of our colleague, Anuja. Anuja tries the best cakes, pies and rolls you would ever have tasted, and she makes them every day. Sometimes she has to double the quantity because people eat them up so quickly. But no matter how fast the pies and the rolls are eaten, she can make more. Why? Because Anuja knows the recipe. Now, let's say someone comes to Anuja's house and loves the way the cakes and pies taste. तो वो घर जाकर सोचते हैं कि घर जाकर वो भी ये ट्राई करेंगे, लेकिन उनके पास रेसिपी नहीं होती। तो घर जाकर जब रेसिपी बनाते हैं तो अक्सर फेल हो जाते हैं और वो फिर ट्राई करते हैं और फेल हो जाते हैं और बार-बार करने के बाद वो थक हार कर इसे छोड़ देते हैं। और यही होता है लाइफ गोल्स के साथ। सभी लोग सक्सेसफुल बनना चाहते हैं, लेकिन सभी के पास इसकी रेसिपी नहीं होती। Most people go through life in a constant state of trial and error. They try and fail. Then they try and fail and try and fail. And eventually they give up. Statistics दिखाता है कि अगर 100 लोगों को 19 साल की उम्र में एक तरह की शुरुआत मिले, तो 65 साल की उम्र तक 1 will be wealthy, 4 will be financially secure, 19 will be still working to simply survive, 22 will be deceased, and 54 will be flat broke and dependent on the pension funds or their families for their survival. It doesn't have to be that way. What is the common denominator of success? सारे सक्सेसफुल लोगों के बीच क्या चीज कॉमन होती है? 99% of the time we get the same answer, money. ये पहला आंसर है जो स्कूल, कॉलेज, ट्रेड एसोसिएशन या किसी भी कॉर्पोरेशन का हिस्सा रहे हर इंसान की सोच है। ये सबसे पहला और सबसे कॉमन आंसर है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ये जवाब सही है। मनी डज नॉट डिटरमाइन योर सक्सेस, लेकिन अगर आप सक्सेसफुल हैं तो आपके पास पैसे जरूर आएंगे। Money is a result, a byproduct of success, not the other way round. Case in point, Mother Teresa बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल थी, लेकिन वो रिच नहीं थी। लेकिन अगर मदर टेरेसा टेलीविजन पर जाकर ये वर्ल्ड वाइड अपील करे कि ये चैरिटी के लिए $50 million चाहिए, she would have done it before the end of that day. Money does not determine success, but if you are successful, you can have as much money as you need. What is the common denominator, the main ingredient for all success? It is the ability to build your personal brand, choose your platform, create great products and services, make the world listen, and remember, all things are possible if you can just believe. टाइम आपके हाथ से जाता जा रहा है और आपके सपनों को पूरा करने का मौका भी पीछे जाता जा रहा है। You only live once. Your time is now. Roll with it in this whole new economy and world with Indian Design League, wherein we help fashion designers, interior designers, event managers, aspiring entrepreneurs and experts to understand how they can become a high-performance influencer, learn the art of positioning, packaging and promoting their products and services online so that they can live the lifestyle that they have always wanted to live. We urge you to see things that are not yet a reality and see them as being a possibility. To be able to dream, to be able to develop a vision for your future. The Bible says, where there is no vision, the people perish. You might think that you have all the time in the world to make your dreams come true, but we assure you, you don't. For all the things you want to experience in life, time is running out. And you never know when the last grain of sand will fall through the middle of your own life's hourglass. time is running out for you to become the person you have always wanted to be, to make the difference you seek to make, to produce the work you know you are capable of. We all are playing a high stakes game of one and done. You get just one bite of this apple called life, in which to do everything you will ever do. और इसीलिए stick with us और देखिए कि आप कैसे सीख सकते हैं कि आप अपने लाइफ, करियर और बिजनेस को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सके, वो भी बस इन 7 महीनों के अंदर अंदर. So what we want to do right now is to encourage a healthy obsession with time and provide you with a few actionable ideas that will help you to make the most of whatever time you have remaining and make your life a living masterpiece. How much time do you have to waste? The first has to do with life expectancy. जैसा कि अभी हमने आपसे शेयर किया था, इंडियन लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी मानी जाती है 69.5 years. So middle age is 35 years old. That's right. Middle age is nowhere near 50. It's 35. So our question for you is, do you have more yesterdays or more tomorrow? And regardless of which side of 35 you are, we hope that fact alone strikes a nerve and creates a strong bias towards taking action on your goals. As for Amit, the founder and chairman of Indian Design League, one of his greatest motivation is the desire to help experts and entrepreneurs who want to turn their specialized knowledge, talents and abilities into a career and business that works, so that they create, sell and serve online and help more people build a lifestyle that's incredibly abundant, creative and impactful. And to achieve this mission and spread his message and impart education to millions, he understands very well that he needs to generate enough money to do everything he wants to do, when he wants to do, and while he is still young enough to enjoy it. He has a belief that life is short and that it's much more of a sprint than it is a marathon. And he prefers not to wait around for his dream to come true. And rather than wait for things to happen and for stars to align, he has found that it's much wiser to take initiative, to trigger the effects or outcomes he desires, and to actually make things happen. Wait, but why? Just think about these questions. Why in the world should you wait for your dreams to come true? Why wait until you are in your 60s to build your dream house, to take your dream vacation, or to live the life you have always dreamt of? Unfortunately, most people have conditioned themselves to believe that they have to wait that long because they simply can't afford to do them right now. And yet, with every passing second, they are losing more and more of the most valuable asset in the world. एक ही asset है जिससे हम सब अपने goals पूरे कर सकते हैं, time. You see, most of us are naive about the benefits of speed and the bright side of being impatient. So allow us to explain. See, time is being packaged, it's being positioned and sold every single day in all kinds of industries and through all types of products and services. अगर आप सोचें तो shortcuts भी अपनाए जा सकते हैं. So when you purchase a fast pass at Disney, we assure you, you are buying time. Instead of waiting in the regular line for a ride which could take hours, you are directed to a special line with a shorter wait time. When you sign up as an Indian citizen for global entry while flying to USA, once again, you are buying time. These services help you speed through airport security lines and avoid the hassles associated with them. When you get yourselves a fast tag for the highway, without a doubt, you are buying time. This electronic toll collection system allows you to prepay your tolls, thus eliminating the need to sit in traffic and stop at the toll plaza. When you purchase anything through Amazon Prime, you are in fact buying time. इससे आपकी शॉपिंग जल्दी होती है और सामान घर पर जल्दी आता है. ना स्टोर जाने की झंझट, ना ही कुछ टिप देने का प्रेशर. अगर आप एप्पल, डेल, एचपी या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के स्टोर जाकर कोई कंप्यूटर खरीदते हैं तो आप एक ऐसा टूल खरीदते हैं जिससे कि आपका काम आसान हो जाए. You are buying time, now loaded with time-saving shortcuts. And the next time you ship using FedEx services, we assure you, it's about time. Someone said, speed is sexy and saving time is a luxury item. Speed is the ultimate turn on. Everyone is short of time. We all dislike delays, long lines, out of stocks, and waiting on hold. We love finding what we want and getting back to work or play, and we like to do it fast. And as just demonstrated, you will gladly pay for time so you can do more and experience more before the sand runs out from your hourglass. So you must be wondering, why are we bringing this up? Because Amit, founder and chairman IDL, really have one regret when he thinks back over his life and career. He regrets that he did not pay for time, that he wasted years of his life trying to build business unsuccessfully. When that stress, when that sacrifice and years of time lost were completely unnecessary. जो करने में सालों लगे वो 7 महीनों में हो सकता था. If we had only understood the value of time and that we could buy more of it. See, contrary to popular belief, shortcuts do in fact exist. You really can buy time. You can shorten your learning curve. You can leapfrog over your competition. And you can most certainly accelerate any outcome. लेकिन देखते हैं पहले आपके सपने और आपके बारे में. आप ये मैसेज इसलिए देख रहे हैं because you want more out of life. You want to increase your income. You want to take your career, business and brand online. You want to experience all that life has to offer. You want to do what you want, when you want and with whom you want. In other words, you have turned in because you want to live a life of freedom. Why freedom? Because freedom allows you to choose how you spend your time instead of someone else. So here's our question for you. If you had a choice, would you like to achieve that kind of freedom in 5 to 10 years or in just 7 months? हम फिर से जानना चाहेंगे कि अगर आपकी चॉइस हो तो would you like to achieve that kind of freedom in 5 to 10 years or in just 7 months? Of course, you would like to learn how to accelerate your win rate और अपने goals भी जल्द से जल्द पूरा करना चाहेंगे. And assuming that's the case, here's how to make that vision a reality. There's only one thing truly standing in your way. You are missing access to the key strategies, frameworks, and this you don't know is costing you in a very big way. It's only natural to wonder if there are some secret strategies that highly successful people know about that you don't. हम ऐसी strategies की बात कर रहे हैं जिनसे आप अपने goals जल्द से जल्द पूरे कर पाएंगे, अच्छी लाइफस्टाइल पा सकेंगे और आपकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ भी बेहतर बन पाएगी. You see, accelerating your results at a rapid clip and making a quantum leap in your life and career often comes down to one key thing, and that one key thing is access to frameworks and strategies. अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि आप कहीं अटके पड़े हैं, कहीं आप frustrated हैं because you can picture all the things you want to be, have and do in your mind, and you are making efforts to move towards your goals and dreams. But no matter how hard you try, it's just not working the way you want. Your efforts and enthusiasm levels are high, लेकिन हो सकता है कि आपका satisfaction और result कम हो सकता है, क्योंकि आप जो actions लेते हैं वो शायद इतने time consuming है कि effective साबित नहीं हो पाते. और ऐसा क्यों है? because you are missing access to the required knowledge, skills, abilities, and proper mindset. You are making mistakes because you don't know any better. तो हर दिन गुजरता जाता है. One more day that you will never get back to live and enjoy the dream life that you truly want. और ये बात सुनते ही आपको बुरा तो जरूर लगा होगा. तो क्या आप इसे कंस्ट्रक्टिव तरीके से बदलना चाहेंगे? Would you like to dramatically accelerate your win rate and achieve extraordinary results much faster than you are right now? अगर आपका जवाब हाँ है तो मेहनत करने के साथ साथ स्मार्ट वर्क करें. Not just hard work but smart work. ये कैसे कर सकते हैं? आसान है. आप ये कर सकते हैं by buying a shortcut that will save you time. See, ultimately, exponential growth and accelerating your win rate is simply a matter of knowing how to do it. It's a matter of acquiring the right information, and to acquire that right information, you have two choices. You can spend years or possibly even a lifetime attempting to get it the old-fashioned way. That is, by trial and run, through your own blood, sweat and tears. By grinding it out along with a few lucky breaks, you might be able to figure it out. But it's going to take you a very long time. How long? Well, here's a partial list of the frameworks and the strategies that you will need to learn in order to start, run and grow your business online. Create a performance explosion and live the life of your dreams. Translate your idea into a compelling business model. Start the right business for right reason. Choose when you have so many passions and ideas. Mastering the confidence competence loop. Knowing which idea will make money. Education-based marketing. Elevator pitch vis-a-vis style statement. What the heck does this acronym BVVVVVSUDV stands for? How do you market your product, program, service? The offer grid and how to devise 5 big strategies for massive success. 8 components of framework mastery. Industry data. 3 steps to effective decision making. How to work on your business, not just in it. The entrepreneurial roller coaster ride. Accelerate your business by 10x. 10 drivers to unlocking human and business potential. Become the leader your business demands. Know your why, your primary aim. Your brand commitment and promise. Company values, vision, mission and purpose. Framework of leadership. Leading through the door, first impression counts. Unlocking the power of decision making. Climb the mountain. Assess your strategy. Off the mat theory and on the mat practice. First mover versus fast mover. 5 steps to launch your dream career, business, brand. 3 stages to build a brand fast. Your brand USPs. Growth and branding strategies for the emerging market. The eyes have it. The biggest mistakes people make while presenting. Getting emotionally close to the heart of your prospect. Creating an effective online brand presence strategy and content plan. Create a content marketing official calendar. Producing a corporate brochure as per brand guidelines. Creating a company website that delivers real value. Implementing an effective search process for website. Real life examples of great brands and results. Template for goal setting and result tracking success. 11 never-changing laws of branding. A comprehensive guide to challenge the big fishes. Positioning, the battle of mind. Find and know your competitors. Secrets of the super successful marketing strategist. Get up to 10 times more results and impact from every marketing activity you do. Customer mindset, perceptions and behavior. Positioning and differentiating your business. Image and sensory package. High performance environment. How to build a powerful brand platform using social media. Understanding the significance of having joint venture, and marketing affiliates. Delivering the benefits of affiliate marketing to associates. Adding value to associates. What is a niche? Why is it important? And how can you identify yours? What is customer avatar? Why do you need to create one? Creating your launch plan outline using a template and launch guide checklist. What is sales funnel and how can you use one? Phases of sales funnel and how you can apply this. Sales funnel in an action including hours. 5 ways to drive traffic to your business and website. Identify 3 ways to capture leads and convert them into sales. Critical mindset shifts from dramatic sales growth. Proactive selling versus reactive selling. Plan-driven versus inquiry-driven sales strategy. Step-by-step and day-by-day strategies to get your dream clients. Best practices for smart entrepreneurs. The quickest and the least expensive way to 10x your sales and the high art of getting the best buyers. Create raving fans by keeping your clients closer and magically increase your profits forever. Secret sauce of getting appointments with anyone. The Selling Boldly Toolkit, planners and downloads. Build a complete turnkey sales organization. Find more conversion opportunities. Lead conversion, making it easy. Stay in touch after sell too. Financial strategies to set you on the right path. Know your numbers. 8 ways to increase revenue. Entrepreneur's money map to support your strategic objective. Accounting system, financial documentation and reports, budget plan, cash management system, collection system, business control system, key financial indicators, maximum cash, bottom line pricing grid, external sources of funds, financial controller and key ratios, flirting with your balance sheet, day-to-day economics, money matters, difference between spending and investing, cash flow quadrant, wealth building secrets of investing, 7 ways of achieving financial freedom, lords of finance, entrepreneurs who conquered the world, laws of copyright protection, laws of trademark protection, licensing for experts, standard prototype system, how to activate your master plan by setting accurate goals and measuring its effectiveness on the go, finding and keeping top talent, planning the recruitment process, preparing and using job descriptions and creating position contracts, maximize your performance and productivity, developing the best training curriculum for you, elevate your teammates by continuous training, set high standards, conducting a performance appraisal using performance management system and 360-degree feedback mechanism, implementing Kaizen, critical factors that build or break terms, productivity hacks for creating daily momentum, the 10 must-have components of an effective plan that works, managing meeting effectively. Under commitment over delivery, monitoring the product services you have promised. Design a product strategy. Customer fulfillment, gearing up the growth. Most powerful customer acquisition technique ever discovered. Position yourself for future sales from the first contact. Vital keys of getting referrals from everyone you know. Build customer loyalty with everything you do. Craft your ideal customer experience. Scale your customer experience. Systems evaluation. System innovation. Creating raving fans by exceeding customer expectations. Capacity planning. Handling customer problems. Handling customer inquiries. Increasing customer lifetime value. Building a mailing list. The influential customers. Culture. Create a business story you want the world to buy. Holy moly! ये आपकी सोच से कहीं ज्यादा है, right? सब कुछ अकेले ही figure out करना possible है क्या? Yeah, it's possible, but it's going to take you 5 to 10 years or more if you are working on it. And we are talking about measuring and analyzing feedback every single day. Now think about this. अगर आप देखें तो क्या ये आसान नहीं होगा if you could buy the framework and strategies you need and to take delivery of it today. And we are talking about from someone who's already done all this stuff successfully. ये सब कुछ अकेले figure out करने से ज़्यादा बेहतर है, right? Well, that's what the High Performance Influencer 7-module 7-month comprehensive program does for you. बहुत से लोगों को इस बात की क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि हाई परफॉर्मेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर प्रोग्राम आखिर है क्या और इसे क्यों बनाया गया है। ज्यादातर लोगों को ये लग रहा है कि एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है, बट वी अश्योर यू आर नॉट बाइंग जस्ट दैट। शायद किसी को लग रहा होगा कि ये गोल सेटिंग क्लास है, नॉट बाय अ लॉन्ग शॉट। Yes, you are getting growth hacking frameworks, force multiplier strategies, and a proven execution system to crush every goal you set. But what you are really buying is time. So, you are buying the ability to skip over years of failure, frustration, and small incremental growth. And you are buying the ability to accelerate all the amazing things you want in life forward in time, so you can have them sooner rather than later and enjoy greater success in just 7 months than most people do over the course of 7 years. Now that list that we just mentioned above of all the knowledge, skills, framework system, models and strategies which you will need to acquire to experience exponential growth. Where the 7 modules High Performance Influencer program provides you with all those frameworks and so much more. We have created the High Performance Influencer program to share with you the same time-saving methods that we have learned and leveraged to shatter sales goals, to quickly grow a number of 8-9 figure businesses, and to coach aspiring experts and entrepreneurs to extraordinary legacy-defining performances. And we are confident we can do the same for you. ना कोई confusion, ना कोई frustration. No more wasted time trying to figure it out on your own. और हमें पता है कि अगर आपके पास इस नॉलेज और एक्सपीरियंस का एक्सेस पहले होता तो आपकी जिंदगी बिल्कुल अलग होती, क्योंकि आपको बिल्कुल अलग रिजल्ट्स मिलते. If you truly want to accelerate your win rate and if you really want to start living the life you want years sooner, then the High Performance Influencer program is the most powerful shortcuts in the world that you can acquire. Just think for a moment. What would happen if you are able to start, run and grow your business profitably and successfully right in the first place? सब कुछ पहले अटेम्प्ट में ही हो जाए तो इससे बेहतर और क्या है? What would happen if you were able to lay your head at night at peace, knowing that you are building the right business, an intelligent business, knowing that your marketing is handled, knowing that your messaging is intelligent, knowing the structure of what you are building along the way will support your lifestyle and your revenue growth. Those are the things that are going to happen or be possible for you once you understand the strategies, the philosophies, the tools, the way of thinking presented in the High Performance Influencer program. So, what about the price? इन 7 महीनों में 10 साल की लर्निंग सीखने का क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट है? What would you be willing to pay if in just 7 months from now you could do the following? Start off with your great idea and turn it into a profitable and easy to use business idea. Use the simple and easy steps to create a super simple to understand business plan that will set you up for success. This is so your business will continue to thrive and make profits while those around you fail. Understand how much money is needed to start your business and where can you get it from. Know your customers, trends, collections, signature, items, quality standard of the product development stage and more. Customer service and how to create raving fans. Sourcing of inventories and products suitable to meet your business needs. Get a corporate identity. This works especially well if you want to crack in to the mainstream and sell the hundreds and thousands of your customers and make loads of money. Understanding marketing and branding materials including the press and sales kit. The secret to sales, covering cold calling, seeking appointments, selling to corporates and Bollywood costume designers, getting the order, and above all, getting paid. Easily use the must-know legal essentials of copyright and trademarks. If you miss these, you might as well kiss your business goodbye. Plus, how to get your thriving business from the offline world and reach millions of new customers by leveraging free techniques on the internet. How to expand the business by partnering, consulting, or getting investors and start a second line. Would you be willing to pay 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 25 lakhs, perhaps even 50 lakhs? अगर टाइम सबसे बड़ा एसेट है तो those prices seem quite reasonable. Well, there's a personal reason why we are not charging market value to join the high performance influencer program. We priced this special program to help as many people as we can to accelerate their win rate, to live the life of their dreams now rather than later. Till date, thousands of aspiring experts and entrepreneurs have used the knowledge shared in High Performance Influencer Program to transform their lives and truly make a difference. Entrepreneurs, salespeople, fashion designers, interior designers, event managers, animator, VFX artists, image consultants, life career and business coaches, educationalists and edupreneurs, CEOs and teachers have all found what they were seeking through the magic of this special program. You and I both know it's possible to learn how to speed read, speed skate, speed network, and even to play speed chess. Why then should it be such a big psychological leap to think that we can't master the skill of launching your business online and transform your life, career, and brand in just 7 months? The truth is, there is no added virtue, nothing worth bragging about in getting rich slowly, learning a new skill slowly, turning your business around slowly, nor in achieving any goal slowly for that matter. We created the High Performance Influencer Program for those people who are serious about their career and are in a hurry to turn things around in their life and career, especially in this post-COVID-19 era. In the other words, we created it for you. हाई परफॉर्मेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर प्रोग्राम एक टाइम मशीन जैसा है जो बना है आपके ड्रीम्स और गोल्स को एक्सेलरेट करने के लिए. You can enroll now for just 45,000. और हाँ, आपके पास 3 इंस्टॉलमेंट प्लान भी है और हमेशा की तरह आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट रहेगी रिस्क फ्री. जब आपको मिलेगा 30 डे नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड मनी बैक गारंटी के साथ. If what you learn does not get your mojo working and exceed your expectations, then you don't pay. It is as simple as that. Learning how to save yourself years of time, pain, and needless suffering makes this investment in your future a no-brainer of a decision. It is the most valuable investment you could possibly make in life, and we can guarantee you that your future self will thank you for making it. लेकिन बस क्लेम्स पर ना जाएं, एक्सपीरियंस करके देखें. Enroll right now and decide for yourself. आप आज से शुरुआत कर सकते हैं without any risk whatsoever for the next 30 days. The High Performance Influencer Program is your chance to make a quantum leap, to push fast forward on your journey to success, and to achieve more in the next 7 months than most do over the course of 10 years. Power of decision. How long does it take to change your life? बहुत से लोगों को लगता है कि इसके लिए बहुत लंबा समय लगता है, लेकिन ये बस एक मिथ है. सच तो ये है कि इसके लिए बस एक मोमेंट लगता है. बिल्कुल सही सुना, बस एक मोमेंट. The moment you actually decide to change and decide to move in a different direction, in the minute that you actually change your life. What takes a long time is getting ready to make a decision. You bounce around the ideas as to whether you should or you shouldn't, debating the issue of change. Many think about the idea for so long that they are caught up in the paralysis of analysis. दिमाग में इतना लंबा डिबेट चलता है कि एक्शन तो कुछ हो ही नहीं पाता। लेकिन जिस मोमेंट आप कोई डिसीजन लेकर एक्शन लेते हैं, उसी मोमेंट अपनी लाइफ बदल लेते हैं। Dr. Howard Thurman, the great theologian, stated in one of his speeches, the minute that this generation conquers fear, then that is the moment that the battle is won. The minute we make the decision and move on, that decision is the minute we change our lives. Amit, founder and chairman, IDL, often start his seminar with the question, how do you achieve great things in life? And as people mull around the answer, he answers the question. He says, you just decide to. The key to changing your life is first to make a decision. Og Mandino calls it the secret of choice. Les Brown calls it the dynamics of decision. Anthony Robbins says your destiny is determined by your decisions. However you want to put it, the key is that you are where you are and what you are because of your choices or lack thereof. Act on life or life will act on you. Either you decide or life will decide for you. How many of us have decided not to make a decision and life went on along anyway and the decision was made for us? We all have. आप खुद डिसाइड करें कि आपको क्या करना है, ना कि लाइफ को डिसाइड करने दें कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. The minute you decide and take action on that decision is the minute you change your life. Decision is the key to changing your life. Yet, to make a decision, you must first need to know where you want to go. और इस सब की शुरुआत होती है सपने से, सिर्फ एक सपने से. The Chinese proverb says that the longest journey always begins with the first step. By making sure that you click on the Enroll Now link, you will get immediate access to the High Performance Influencer 7-module comprehensive training program. Click on the link below. Take the first step and begin the journey. और जब आप HPI के कुछ मॉड्यूल्स खत्म कर लेंगे, आप पाएंगे कि आप अपना बिजनेस आसानी से ग्रो कर सकते हैं. You will be well on your way to start, run and grow your own business online and create a brand and fulfill your dreams. Do it now. Aloha. Your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed or your money back. Go through the first module of the program, The Entrepreneur Lifestyle. Watch and implement all the learnings from the training session. And if you are not completely blown away, you can cancel your enrollment and get a full refund. आप रिस्क फ्री हैं क्योंकि आपके पास 30-day money back guarantee है. तो अब वक्त है गोल्स पूरा करने का. And it would be our honor to show you how. So enroll today and make it the very next thing you do. We will close with a quote from Mark Twain, who said, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So, throw off the bowlines. Sail away from the safe harbor. Catch the trade winds in your sails. Explore, dream, discover. In this video training, we have provided you with more than enough reasons for you to throw off the bowlines, sail away from safe harbor and sign up for the High Performance Influencer Program today. लेकिन इसका सबसे बड़ा रीजन है ये, जिसके बारे में हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था. We all are playing a high stake game of one and done. You have exactly one life in which to do everything you will ever do. And you owe it to yourself to invest a small amount of time and money to learn how to transform your life, career and business in 7 months. Fast track your obsession and make your dreams come true sooner rather than later. Now is the time to use the power of the internet to turn your real interest into real businesses. Now is the perfect time to take your passion and make a living doing what you love. Now is the time to crush it and cash it on your passion.